Ooh. Hi everyone. I just finished reacting to B2B Outsider, and then I saw this thumbnail of Stray Kids. Sorry cool? What does that mean? I don't know. So I'm gonna be watching it right now, and here we go. Oh, I love that. Uh, it's been sort of forever since I've seen Stray Kids. I'm forgetting their names. Ooh. Ooh. So, thunderous? That's what I mean? So, Chambin, right? Chambin. Felix. Is it Hyun? Something. Hyunshik? Han. What's up? I love that they're making the laugh with the on the arm or whatever. So cool. So cool. My there is a lot going on in this. Ah? So cool. So cool. Thunderous. Yeah, that is the thunder thing. Trick is everywhere all around the world. I feel like there was so much going on in the music video so that I wasn't following anything at all. Like I wasn't. But I do love how when he started like this drawing thing, and then when Changbin came in with his rap, he was the first one that rapped, right? Like they sort of like wait for the drawing. Yeah, that was really cool. I love Han's face. I'm trying to focus on the lyrics. Oh, God. Wait, are they like heroes? Cause they said something about villains and then that the Thunderous are coming, or that the Thunderous one appears with the wing. I don't know. I'm dirty. What's up? Yeah, that's very cool. So cool. I'm dirty. I'm dirty. Okay, so they are clearly the Thunder ones. I'm dirty. The Thunderous one appears. I might be wrong, but I feel like having it watched like the second time around, I feel like they have this sort of like comic book feel to it. Because at times you will see some of them, I just don't remember who exactly. Okay, you had a champion at the beginning. I feel like Felix also had this moment where he was like drawn like a comic book, and then was he Hyun? What was his name again? I'm forgetting. Let me see. Let me look at. Excuse me. Stray Kids. Stray Kids members. Surikun. Okay. Member. Bangchan. Okay. Like I saw Bangchan, like I know his name, but I just don't remember his name. But you know, champion, I remember you. Hyunjin. Okay, I know it was Hyun something. Sorry. So Hyunjin, like I feel like there was this moment where Hyunjin closed this sort of like comic book thing, and I feel like it was Felix who was drawn like that, and then he closed it. I might be wrong, but yeah. And I was trying to see if like all of them were gonna have that moment of being drawn like a comic book thing, but I don't think everybody was drawn like that at any point. So yeah. Since they mentioned the villainous ones, like villains make my blood boil or something, or and that the thunderous one are coming. So I'm like, okay, are they like the thunderous ones? Are like the heroes like them, and then they're gonna be fighting the villains? Because there was a point also in the music video where they had these people that sort of like dressed in like ninja garbs or something. I don't know, they look like ninjas. What the heck is mine? Okay. They looked like ninjas or something at one point. So I'm like, okay, is that they must be the villains? Oh no, but whatever. I love this song. Thank you guys for watching, and if you like this reaction, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye. So cool.